Most people use VLOOKUP every day in Excel, but almost nobody knows it has two major blind spots. Today, I'm fixing both of them. And trust me, the second one is going to change how you work with data. Let's start with the first problem. Imagine you have a list where some names repeat across multiple rows. When you run a standard VLOOKUP, it always returns the first match. But what if you need the last one? The most recent entry? The latest record? Standard VLOOKUP simply cannot do that. But this formula can. Enter equals index, open bracket, a colon B, comma, max, open bracket, filter, open bracket, row, open bracket, a colon A, close bracket, comma, a colon A equals D2, close bracket, comma, 2, close bracket. Here's what this formula is doing. It scans every row where your criterion matches. Then it takes the maximum row number, which is always the last match. Then index pulls the value from that exact row. Change your lookup value, and it updates instantly every single time. Now the second blind spot. Standard VLOOKUP only works left to right. Your lookup column must always be on the left side of your data. But real-world spreadsheets are messy, and that is not always the case. So here's the fix. Enter equals index, open bracket, A1 colon A16, comma, match, open bracket, D2, comma, B1 colon B16, comma, 0, close bracket. This lets you search a column on the right and return a value from a column on the left. Match finds the position of your value, and index uses that position to grab whatever is in the left column. No restructuring your data, no helper columns, just two functions working together perfectly. So here's what you now have. Formula 1. Index with max and filter finds the last matching value when duplicates exist. Formula 2. Index with match. Lookups from right to left when VLOOKUP gives up. Write these down. And if this helped you, make sure you subscribe, because next week we are covering XLOOKUP, which takes everything you just learned to a whole new level.